Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Healthy Kitchen by Haifa. Today we're going to be making a quick dinner, impressive, healthy, delicious dinner, but we won't exceed the 15 minutes. And for real, I have friends coming in 15 minutes, so let's do it together. I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing. I'm going to saute some shrimp with onion and garlic and a little bit of oil and salt and pepper. We're gonna make some steak, it's already seasoned, and mashed potato. So bear with me for the dessert. I made it last night, so if you want to know how I made it, I posted the video yesterday in my channel. You're welcome to check that video to learn how I made this very impressive, delicious dessert. It's fruit salad. So let's start. I start cooking the shrimp in a little bit of olive oil, onion, and I'm gonna add some lemon juice, garlic also, pepper, and salt. With the steak, I'm gonna make mashed potato. It comes like this, already packed from Costco. This is the pack. For two, it's $9. I think it's cheap. It's organic. So I'm just gonna add some butter, garlic, black pepper, onion powder, a little bit, like half a spoon of each one of them, and a little bit of milk. So for the mashed potato, I did put some butter and garlic, and then I did add the potato. I'm just gonna add some onion powder, black pepper, gonna reduce the heat. I have only 10 minutes to finish all this, so I'm in a hurry. When the butter melted, I'm gonna add some milk, and I'm gonna top it later on with a little bit of cheese. I'm gonna add here some milk, so the onion powder and the garlic powder, the black pepper will add a lot of flavor to the mashed potato, and the butter also. If you have fresh garlic, that will be better. And I'm gonna add a little bit of milk. Sorry for the fume or the smoke. Few minutes, and then I'm gonna turn off the heat. I did mix the shrimp with the mashed potato. There is a lot of flavor there, onion, garlic, lemon, black pepper, so it's extremely delicious. This is gonna be the filling for the pastry sheet. It's Asian pastry sheet. This is the pack. They sell them everywhere in any Asian store, or in any regular store you ask for Asian department. The mashed potato, I did get it from here. They comes ready from Costco. All what I'm gonna do right now is fill the pastry sheet and then start frying. I did put the filling inside the sheet, and I made like a circle, and inside one egg, and I did add a little bit of black pepper and salt. Now I'm gonna flip it or close it, make a triangle shape with it, and start frying. I'm frying the brick. The one on the left side, I already flip it. When it turns like golden, a little bit brown, so it's on both sides, it means it's ready. This one, I just start frying it, the one on the right side. Make sure you don't let it stay for until it gets really brown. It means it's burned if it's really brown, so just golden. This is the color that you're supposed to get it out when you see it. With the mashed potato, I'm gonna add this steak. It comes already seasoned from Safeway. And a little bit of olive oil, some garlic, onion, and cumin. And of course, black pepper and salt. We're gonna get the flavor from mostly from the cumin and the garlic. We're gonna add the onion, the garlic, and the cumin, and of course a little bit of salt and pepper, black pepper. I'm gonna mix and cover it until it's medium done. For the mashed potato, when I turn off the heat, I'm gonna add this is the secret ingredient. It's Le Boursin cheese. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. And this is the secret ingredient to have a very, very delicious mashed potato. So I'm done cooking. This is the break. This is the presentation for the break. I did put some salad under the break just to add some color. It's crunchy, it's delicious, easy to make, and affordable. I mean, all the ingredients in the break are affordable. And this is the steak that you saw me cooking. The sauce, it's unbelievable. The taste is full of flavors. I did surround the steak with the mashed potato. And also I did surround the mashed potato with salad just to add some color. We have a friend coming, our dear friend Chris, for dinner. So this was a quick dinner. Very delicious, very impressive. I did add some cheese. Le Boursin, it's our favor. Also, I did add a small flower in the middle, just to add some color. As you know, I always make sure that we have a nice presentation on our island, our table. The fruit salad, I made it yesterday. So if you want to know how I made it, you just have to go to my previous video.